Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about multi-level inheritance in Java. Multi-level inheritance where several classes can inherit the properties of one another in a straight chain like sequence. Like in example, we have one class called A and we can inherit the properties of A into the subclass B, and the same way we can inherit the properties of class B into the subclass C, and this way we can create one straight chain like sequence using the multi-level inheritance. Like an example, we have one class A, we can inherit the properties of A into B, so we can write class B extends A, and the same way we can inherit the properties of B into the subclass C, so we can write class C extends B. In multi-level inheritance, at every level one class can have only one direct child. Like an example, the class A has only one direct child, which is B. Similarly, the class B has only one direct child, which is C. And while using the multi-level inheritance, the subclass can have all the properties from its parents. Like an example, the class C will have all the properties from the superclass B, and also it is going to acquire all the properties from the superclass A. So in this example program we have one class called A and it has the method A which prints class A method onto the console. Similarly, we have another class B and it has the method B and it prints the string class B method onto the console. So now we're gonna use the multi-level inheritance and we're gonna inherit the properties of class A into class B. So I'm gonna write class B extends A, and this way we can inherit the properties of class A into class B, and similarly we can inherit the properties of class B into class C, and we can write class C extends B. So now class C has access to the superclass B and also to the superclass A. Now inside the main method I'm gonna create object of the class C, then I'm gonna use the object and call the method of the class A. So I'm gonna write object dot method A. Similarly, I'm gonna use the object and call the method of the class B. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output class A method and class B method, because there is multi-level inheritance in the program where the properties of class A is inherited by class B, and similarly the properties of B is inherited by class C. So we can use the object of class C and we can access the method of class A and also the method of class B. So this is the way the multi-level inheritance can be used to inherit the properties of several classes in a straight chain like sequence. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.